Maybe no one's ever told you this before, but when you give yourself permission to feel pleasure, you actually start to glow. You become almost delicious.
You know, parents do it and grandparents do it. You don't have to think about it. Society has truly made us believe that you get to a certain age and it's not for you. And I find this really problematic. I wanted to break down the barriers so that conversations could happen. There's so many stereotypes, there's so many myths, there's so many unbelievably ridiculous stories around the subject of pleasure, around the subject of sexuality, particularly the pleasure of women. It's been so taboo, it's been so hidden. Nobody talks about it.
In ancient Greece, kissing was actually an Olympic contest. I'm worried. Can you please suggest some tips for a better relationship? How you can change him? You can't.
How dare I be talking about sexuality and desire and pleasure at my age? And I constantly get told, you know, have you seen how old you are? At your age, you should be doing prayers, you should be thinking of God. And it's okay, you know, you have a controversial opinion. I don't mind if you tell me that you think that what I'm saying is wrong. It's the abuse that I find difficult, and I just think it's so unnecessary. And at one point, it had become really ugly, and it had sort of reached the point of death threats, you know, where they were making threats and so on. Makes you feel really unwell, actually, just to read it. I know that everybody says, hey, you've got to be strong, you've got to put it behind you. And we do, but we're also human, and it does impact us. There's a lot more people writing into me saying how much this has changed their lives, how much of an impact it's had, how much difference it's made to the way that they think about themselves. And frankly, that's, you know, so much more important. Last year, I did a panel discussion for the British Science Association on sex amongst older people. And we were just saying how, you know, it keeps you active, it keeps all your hormones going, it keeps you feeling better about yourself. Your pleasure should be there for the rest of your life. You have the right to feel pleasure.